Shri Bhagwati Manufacture, Ribbon Blender. A ribbon blender machine is a type of industrial mixer commonly used to blend materials that are dry or semi-dry. It consists of a U-shaped horizontal trough containing a central shaft with helical ribbons positioned at different angles. These ribbons rotate, moving the materials in a well-balanced axial and radial flow pattern, ensuring thorough mixing. Key features. 1. Design. The U-shaped trough and dual helical ribbons, inner and outer, are the core components. 2. Materials. Typically made from stainless steel or other durable materials to handle various types of substances. 3. Operation. The ribbons rotate to mix the materials. The outer ribbon moves the materials in one direction, while the inner ribbon moves them in the opposite direction, creating a homogeneous blend. 4. Capacity. They come in various sizes to handle different batch sizes, ranging from small laboratory units to large industrial machines. 5. Versatility. Suitable for mixing powders, granules, pastes, and slurries in industries such as food processing, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and cosmetics. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.